Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Enter Network Credentials error on Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure the username and password you are entering are correct. Even a small typo can cause the error. If the credentials are correct but the issue persists, open the search menu and type Control Panel. Click on it, then set View By to Large Icons and select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Scroll down to Password Protected Sharing and turn it off. Save the changes and close the window. Try reconnecting to the network to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, open the search menu again and type Local Security Policy. Click to open it. Expand Local Policies on the left, then select Security Options. In the list, Accounts, limit local account use of blank passwords to console logon only. Double-click it and ensure it is set to Enabled. Click Apply, then OK. Next, go back to the search menu and type Settings. Open it, then click Network and Internet in the left panel. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, choose Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm by selecting Yes. Your computer will restart to complete the reset process. So that is basically how you can fix the Enter Network Credentials error on Windows. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.